Car Obsession is proudly supported by Carly and Draggy. Check out the video description to find out the latest discount codes. Hello guys and welcome back to Car Obsession. No, I've not died, I'm still here, although I do feel like death. I haven't had COVID. I wish I had COVID because when I did have COVID that was a lot better than how I feel now. Anyway, I'm not going to get bogged down in that. If you want to know what I've got, then drop me a question in the comment section because I'm sure many of you don't really want to know. Anyway, on to today's video. I have been sent a phone mount by a company called VANMASS. Now, if you are a frequent shopper on Amazon, then you would have heard of this company because they are pretty much dominating the phone mount world on Amazon. Now, this comes at a good time because I'm not too sure if you're aware, but the Mazda MX-5 isn't the most practical, and where I usually keep my phone isn't exactly ideal. So having a phone mount like this is going to prove to be very helpful. Speaking of helpful, if you go to the video description below, you'll find the link and a discount code to help you save a bit of money. So we have one box, obviously. We have the mount itself, which is got a nice finish to it actually. So if I bring you there, you can get an idea of the pattern. Actually, let me get this GoPro recording as well. Even though it's probably going to record most of the mess in here, but never mind. Right, let's get that one recording. And yes, hopefully you can see it there. You've got a knob on the back to adjust it. And you've also got a button there for a quick release. But of course, I need more than just that. There's more in the box. So I've also got a pivot point, which is like a ball and socket joint, like so. Just there. But the actual mount itself, so it's got very simple instructions. Clean the flat dash, which this is kind of flattish. Stick and press and lock it. And wait 15 minutes to start to use. And then you've got a few other bits and bobs in here. And you've got installation videos and guides. So I'm just going to take a few minutes to look through these. But the dashboard pad is single use. Do not pull it off and reuse it. So that's what that is. So you have to excuse me. And it even comes with wipes. That's very handy. So you've got everything you need really. The actual product itself feels quite well made. Some of these mounts on Amazon, they feel a bit cheap and yeah, they don't feel that well made. This actually feels quite sturdy. Right, let's think about. I think I will actually mount it to the windscreen because I don't want to have that on the dash forever. Right, to be fair, it would probably blend in quite nicely, but I might have it like that. At least with the windscreen, it can be removed if needed. So, right. So let's have it like that. Like that. Okay. Right. Pop it in there. That's a nice, satisfying kind of pop / click. Lock that bad boy into place. Very easy. And you've got really good adjustability. That's little wonder when you bear in mind that the VANMASS phone mount comes with the quick release functions, adjustable bottom feet and adjustable arms. Very handy indeed. Well, not handy, it's very army and feety. You get what I mean. So I'm going to have it like that. Tighten it up. And then now, next challenge is the size of the phone. Now I've got a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and this thing is massive. It's got its own postcode. It's that big. So let's see how this fits in. So to undo the bottom, just simply put it. I didn't want to do it at first because I didn't want to apply too much force. So that's nice and easy. Lemon squeezy. Tighten it up as much as I can. And there we go, a nice easy install. A big thank you to the lovely people at VANMASS for sending that over. And now I'm doing quite a long journey, so it'll be a good test to see how sturdy it is. After making this video, I drove the car for around 2 hours and the phone was pretty much solid. So the first impressions of the mount are very good. If you're thinking about buying one of these for yourself or perhaps a friend or family member, Christmas is coming people, then be sure to check out the video description as it has the link and also a discount code to help you save a bit of money. A big thank you to VANMASS for sending me the mount to try, and of course a big thank you to you watching this video. I do hope you have enjoyed it or found it useful. If so, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you are subscribed, don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified every time I make a video. But until the next time guys, be sure to keep up the car obsession.